Hey guys, we received this Mr. Pen's dry erase board for test and try. It's a 14 by 11 inches with a black dry erase marker and a sandstone color flame. So this is a small white board with a either for the kids or any other purposes. So let me just open this up. So this is really a nice board as you can see it here. So it comes with this 3M stickers too, like if you want to stick it somewhere. So you can just stick it and if you want to put that. And this have a black marker here. There's a dry erase marker. So I just want to test. You can see it flows really nice on it. So very smooth surface. Have this rubber things or the brush. So you can just rub it off. So very clean, very nice, easy to maintain. This is a magnetic board, so it stick with the marker as well. So you can just make it on top of it and then use it on the stand as well. So a nice white board, a small dry erase board for your use.